In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a trigger in Zapier. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm that Zapier is pulling the right sample data from your app so you can build the rest of your Zap with confidence. You'll start after you've already chosen your app and selected the trigger event and your account is connected. On that setup screen, click Continue. Zapier will bring you to the Test tab. This tab exists to make sure Zapier can reach into your app and grab a real example, often called a sample, that matches your trigger. Think of it as a quick dress rehearsal before the automation goes live. Now click the Test Trigger button. Zapier will look for recent activity in your chosen app, something that actually happened, like a new form submission, a new row in a spreadsheet, or whatever your trigger expects. This usually takes a moment. It's a good idea to have a recent example available in the app before you test, because Zapier prefers pulling the newest matching item. If the test is successful, you'll see a sample record appear. It may be labeled Record A or something similar. Open that sample and review the fields it brings in. You should see a clear list of available data points, such as a name, an email, a timestamp, and any other fields your trigger provides. Take a few seconds to scan for accuracy. The values should look realistic, the timestamps should make sense, and the fields you plan to use later should be present. This quick check ensures you'll have everything you need when you map data in later steps. If Zapier doesn't find any data, it will tell you it couldn't locate a record. That simply means there isn't a recent example to pull. To fix this, go into your Trigger app and manually perform the action your trigger is watching for. For example, submit a test entry through your form or add a new row to your sheet. Keep the data clean and generic, then return to Zapier and click Test Trigger again. Give it a moment after you create the example. Some apps take a few seconds to sync. Also confirm you're connected to the correct account or workspace for that app, since testing the wrong account can result in no records found. Once you see a solid sample and the fields look right, your trigger is verified and you're ready to keep building. That's all there is to testing a trigger in Zapier. Simple, reliable, and essential.